Hi, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video let me show you how to fix your Roblox when it's crashing out.
Hi everyone, so if your Roblox is not working, then we'll need a few steps in order to make working. So let's close our Roblox right here and go ahead and right click your taskbar and go to Task Manager. So this one will appear. Type in Roblox. So right here we have Roblox and we need to add the task for Roblox. So if there are no other Roblox that is appeared, then just click on X, and you can also reset and refresh your computer and also your CPU in case that is the problem. And that's all. Supposedly your Roblox would open again, just like right here, and it won't crash again if you will play a game.